Hi everybody, Matt Morris here in Waterloo, and sometimes you want to add a little bit to your snow tower. Let's say I wanted to put a nose on the side of this tower, and I've got fluffy snow today. This is not packing snow. So if I put it on there, it might stick, but most of it's just going to fall off. So I need packing snow, but I don't have packing snow. Well, let's learn how to make it. I'll call it patch snow. I've put some fluffy snow into this pail, and here's the simple solution to get you what you need. Water bottle with 5 little holes poked in the top by a responsible adult or parent usually, and I'm going to spray this for only 1 second into this bucket as I fluff it with my other hand. So here we go. I'll start fluffing, and 1001. Only 1 second. You will think that you don't have enough moisture. You can always add more, but 1 second will do it. And again, there's only 5 holes in that lid. Now I'm going to take some of that snow. It still kind of looks like fluffy snow, but when I hold it on, I'm going to hold it on for 15 seconds, and then when I let go, I'll let it sinter for 30 seconds before I try and, no, not 30 seconds, 30 minutes, okay? 15 seconds, hold it on, 30 minutes, let it sinter. So I'm pushing a little bit on it right now. So I think that's close to the 15 seconds. I'll let go, it sticks on. I'll let it sinter for 30, but just for testing purposes, let's take a little bit off so you can see that it's sort of working, but once it sinters for say 30 minutes, I think that'll do it. And now we've got what we need. So there's a little tip for the day. Have fun outside, everybody. Bye-bye.